Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a Massanutten tour. Let's go see inside. We're staying Regal Vista. Look at inside. Ready to start exploring. The park is out. Ooh, this bed. I see it has a chair. And look out the window. What must be in here? Whoa, these are the hangers. These are the drawers. The second bathroom where our pants will be staying. Ooh, look at this. That has a window and the same as the other one, but even bigger, and it has a fireplace. Ooh, look, it's in here. It's a bathroom. It has a jacuzzi tub and there's a shower. So cute. Let's go see this one right here. Ooh, another bathroom. There's 2 sinks, 1 toilet, and 1 shower. Ooh, the kitchen. Lay down here, and there's a sofa and another sofa. So cute. Now let's go to somewhere. It's a balcony. Down the balcony. Can't go out there with rain. So it looks like we have to wait for some time to go out there. Let's check out the laundry room and the garage. Ooh, the laundry room. Let's see here. Switch doors. There's more hangers there. If you come with 2 families, then they can move that door. So that's the other door where another house is at. Let's check out this garage. Whoa. Hi guys, and make sure to press that subscribe button and that thumbs up.